Hello and welcome to another edition of Forex Trading. My name is Richard Ogun. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. In the previous edition, I talked about Forex brokers with low minimum deposits, where you can register and start trading with as low as $1. Please, if you have not watched that video, you click here and watch it. It's very interesting. In today's edition, we're going to talk about best 10 Forex brokers in 2021. Stay tuned. The Forex market is the largest and the most liquid market in the world, representing every global currency, with trading conducted 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. To trade Forex, you need an online broker. Trading with a trusted Forex broker is crucial for success in international currency markets. As a currency trader or investor, you may have specific needs related to which platform, tools, or research requirements you have. Understanding your investment style can help determine which Forex broker will be best for you. Here are the list of best 10 Forex brokers. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell button.